Hey everybody, Sharon here with L&A Little Flowers. I have here, well today we're going to make some soap, as you can plainly see. So today I have my oils. They've been all melted down. I'm going to add the lye solution. Wow, look at all that soap. All right. Don't that look good? Okay. Soap batter ready. 3 containers. We're going to try and get this as even as possible. Well, I want a little more of these colors. I think this one will be the white. And I want a little bit more pink. I will scrape out this container.
The scent?
The scent is Jammin' Rock Candy. It is a delightful scent of, it's this right here, Jammin' Rock Candy by Nature's Garden. It is, the scent is cherries, strawberries, raspberries, brought together by a little icy peppermint and something else. I can't remember right now. Oh, rock candy. Okay, so this is going to be my white. If I can talk right. I'm going to add a little TD because I want it white. And TD stands for titanium dioxide. I'm going to put a little kaolin clay. And a little arrowroot powder. If I can open it. Whoa. Okay. A little arrowroot powder. Okay, so that should be good and white. And apparently the Jammin' Rock candy can discolor to a light tan, so we're not going to put it in the white. We're going to put it in the black and pink.
Why not just put it in the black? Why not just put it in the black?
No. Oh yeah. I think this is like my favorite pink color. It is Tinkled Pink.
It's so bright that it
by
doesn't.
Mad Micahs.
It's so bright pink that it doesn't show up right on the thing.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put in some activated charcoal for the black. Good activated charcoal. Good stuff. Okay. All right. Okay, so we will go from lightest to darkest. for the pink. Oh, there it goes. Woo! I love that color. It's such a good color. All right, now smell that.
Smells great.
Good. Hmm?
Smells great.
Okay, there's not supposed to be any ricing or anything like that. There's a little more pink. All right. That smells good. I have some soap frosting or leftover soap batter, so going to
I guess.
What?
all right. That looks good, right? Okay, pink balls.
Can I see one?
What? No, it didn't. This kind. Gotta have some holographic glitter by Brambleberry. This is eco-friendly, biodegradable.
Just all good things.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you spritz alcohol in it before?
Well, this is if it needs some help sticking,
Oh.
but this does not. And I always do that. I always lean to one side.
Hmm.
Gonna have to work on that.
Yeah.
Like turn it around. Beauty shot.
Beauty shot.
That looks good. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back here in 18 to 24 hours. Later. Hey everybody. It's been probably a day and a half. I'm going to cut this. I waited a little bit longer because it's soft soap, a little softer, so hopefully I got everything lined up. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, this is so, you can see how soft that was. In piece. Very cool. Oh wow. This is just gorgeous. That's my My 5-year-old cutting paper. Oh. Isn't this so pretty, Megan? All right. Super exciting. So, well, if you like what you see, you like this soap, I think it's pretty. Like the video, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to like and leave me a nice comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, happy crafting, everybody. Later.